Hi there, Cheryl Jones with Simply the Best Results here. I've got to tell you about what happened at my most recent workshop. It was amazing. It was called Attract More Money. It's a law of attraction program, a workshop that was all day, and we got together in a very intimate and comfortable setting where people could talk about what was true for them and figure out what was standing in the way of them getting more money into their lives, bringing more revenue, whatever it may be. And all of these people were business owners and wanted more. And so here's the thing. Several of the participants said that they wanted to level up. They wanted to go to a higher level of results because they'd achieved some goals, but they wanted to get further along, higher, more, bigger and better things. Another person said that they wanted more clarity around what was causing them to block money coming to them. They sensed it and they knew that they were stumbling and they wanted to know why and what it was and clear it out. And another one person wanted to say that they wanted to eliminate the anxiety that they have around money, like either asking for it or following up on money that's owed. And I said, no problem. We can take care of all of that while you're here today. So as we went throughout the day, we did a number of different exercises that allowed them to identify what were some of the family stories they had about money and where some of their own, like not even conscious orientation about how they handle money, what they think about money, how they use money. And it really informed them on what limiting beliefs they had that they didn't even realize they had. And so we used the law of attraction and taught the law of attraction principles. And the law of attraction states that you will attract to you anything that you give attention and energy to, whether it's good or bad, no matter how you interpret it. And so we talked about the 3 steps of law of attraction. We talked about the fact that you have to determine what you want or identify your desire and then give it attention and then allow it. And allowing is where we run into so much trouble. The allowing part is those blocks, those mental blocks that we have that oftentimes are subconscious and we're not even aware of them. And so there was so much good information and so much collaboration between the participants that it was just magical. I can't even explain it to you in this video because it really was magical. In the end, some people found out, and I'll just give you a couple of examples. One person found or realized or identified that they were living their father's dream or their father's burden rather than their own. And they had taken it on as a child and then were carrying it forward into their professional lives. Another person realized that the history they had as a child, where there was scarcity in their family, scarcity for funds or for food or whatever it was playing out today in this idea of hoarding, kind of holding on to and hoarding money, being afraid that it would all go away. And you see, money is energy and it's an exchange. We exchange money for goods and services. And that exchange is what keeps our planet going, which keeps our commerce going, which keeps everything going. We've got to exchange energy on a regular basis. So sometimes it looks like money. And what was she was so awestruck when she realized that, that holding on, that childhood orientation was impacting her life today. And so ultimately everyone left with a lot fewer limiting beliefs because we cleared them out, and any of the trapped traumas and trapped emotions that they had from childhood or earlier experiences, even if it was just a few years ago, were cleared out so that they can attract more money and more business into their lives. Just remember that whatever you put your attention on and give your energy to is what you're going to attract to you. So stay on the positive side. Know that everything is always working in your favor. And I hope that you'll consider attending one of my workshops in the near future. That's all for now. Until next time, take care.